To maintain your security and ensure your Wise account is only accessed by your current devices, it's important to remove any old devices from your settings. Follow these simple steps to do so. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Open your web browser and go to the Wise website. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option in the menu. Click on it and then find the Security section to view your security settings. Step 3. View Connected Devices. In the Security section, look for an option labeled Connected Devices or Device Management. Click on this to see a list of all devices currently linked to your account. Step 4. Identify old devices. Review the list of connected devices. Identify any devices that you no longer use or recognize. Take note of these devices for removal. Step 5. Remove old devices. Select the old devices you wish to remove. There should be an option to remove or disconnect next to each device. Confirm the removal when prompted to ensure they are no longer linked to your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and secure your Wise account by removing any outdated devices. Regularly checking your security settings is a good practice to keep your information safe.